How far are we?
We're recording each other.
That's it, dude.
Wow. If I don't catch something like that.
Oh, you're doing it right now? Oh my god, dude, that's wild. Look at that.
I'm not worried about the line getting caught somewhere. To who? I ain't nobody out here.
You ain't tripping.
Yeah,
Pop
he's on a break. You love your wet back joke.
Fuck yeah. He's like, it was so out of pocket. Like, that's me, bro. That's why when I get racist people, oh dude, this boat feels fucking amazing.
What?
Put your feet on it.
It's nice and warm.
It's nice and cold. Yeah, I mean, please excuse my claws and shit. The water underneath is nice, bro. Oh, hold on, let me. There's a lot of YouTube videos and whatever, but this is from my channel.
So, how you do this twist? I'm not a professional, so.
Don't matter, Papa. Let me lower the music. Yeah, Josh was telling me you're very humble about it. That you've been fishing since you were a little boy. And that.
Okay, so all you do is twist it like that.
Mm-hmm.
And then you go through this little loop.
The one inside the string, right?
Yep.
Okay.
So that's what you try to do. Put it through that loop. Once it's through that loop, then you put it through this loop right here.
Okay. The loop that won't, the one that went in.
And then.
Okay.
Right there, bam. And that's all you need. That knot will hold.
And that won't go nowhere. Okay.
Then I was cut off any axes. And that's it.
Fuck yeah.
So you got your weight.
That's all I need? I don't need the little.
If you're fishing offshore and if you want to see when your fish. So yeah,
but I'll feel it. I'll feel it though.
Yeah, you'll feel it.
Okay.
So like right now with this one, all I'm doing is watching it. Cause once I see it go like this,
yeah,
that means something's biting it. And once it goes like this, that means I got it.
Dude, I'm sorry. This is so fucking lame,
So,
but I gotta record
here
my
you
face.
go,
Because
And then
where's my worm? Are you fucking worm in there? See that chopper?
Yup, you see it?
Damn,
Right there, Josh.
he said this was the spot. You're the guy for me, Papa. Ooh, he fought me on it.
Oh, they're jumping now,
Look
bro.
Look at. Oh
I
my
need to
gosh.
move my pole.
Oh my gosh! Look at that fat fucker, dude.
Yep.
Is that a good one?
Yeah, that's man. The bigger the better.
Wait, what? Because what if you don't want them too fat? You know?
Uh-oh. Then I dropped the pole in there. Yeah, it looks.
Come on, baby. I'm sorry, little buddy.
If you're fat and juicy, the fish will bite.
Like that?
Actually, no.
No?
So here, hold your camera.
Okay.
So what you do is, with a worm, you always start from beginning and just slide it through where it follows.
Shit.
And bam, that's it. And the rest you leave it hanging.
Okay, so he won't even see the hook coming.
Yep. To cast is always this.
Okay.
You hold your line and you toss. Oops. Oh shit. So you gotta be careful with that. Uh-oh, I got a fish.
Whoa!
Ah.
You bitch! You got away. Oh! Oh! I got a tug!
Really? Go.
What do I do?
Oh, yeah, there you go. Cool.
Well, that's the thing. If you got a tug, do you feel the fish?
Yeah.
Is it pulling?
Yeah.
All right, we'll reel it in.
Like this?
Yeah, you're doing it. No, you didn't get no fish.
What the fuck?
You're a liar.
Oh, I felt him. I felt him.
No, you gotta be careful because when I first started fishing.
All right. So how do I? Okay. So I pull this.
Hold it.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh. It's,
No.
no.
So what you do is, since you have the weight,
It's raining. Oh my goodness, dog. It's cold. It's cold and it's raining. I'm driving this boat. I'm the boat driver.
Good thing this shit is fucking waterproof. Watch it start hailing, dude. Woo! You're cold. He's fucking cold, dude. Woo! Thank you.
Oh, and it's thundering.
Thank you, Jesus.
Hey, the Storm Riders.
Stone Riders, like always,
Yeah,
brother.
that's us. Yeah. Gotta take video of that. Nah, I wish I would have cut that video.
We crawfish fishing.
Let's
Crawfish
get me a
fishing.
big ass catfish, baby.
It went just like I fucking pooped. Oh, oh, oh! We're about to fire up a blunt. And we were supposed to be camping, bro. We were supposed to be fucking camping. Cheers. Salud.
Ah, salud. Yeah, back in the city where we belong, man. Couple city slickers.
Under the scorching sun.
Thought it was a good idea to take a couple city folk out
Into the forest.
into the woods.
I did definitely feel the discrimination.
Discrepancy.
Yeah. You know what I will tell you? When I went to the restroom, there was a Latino family, and I was talking to them in Spanish.